Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Transformation T. You know, today I have a killer workout for your legs, those hamstrings, and your glutes. So go ahead and get stretched out and then let's get it. So for part of my warm-up, I go ahead and get on the Stairmaster just to really make sure that my muscles are prepared and really warmed up and ready for the workout. Alright, so first move, I am doing deadlifts. Notice I am lifting really light because I am focusing on my form this time around. Word of advice, if you are new to a move, do not go heavy. You will hurt yourself, okay? And without a break, I go right into my single leg deadlifts. Whenever you want to target your glutes or your hamstrings, you want to push through your heels. So I'm pushing through my heels every time I come down. And then I take a 1 to 2 minute rest and go right back into that set. Alright, so now I'm going into my favorite hamstring moves, the one that leaves me sore for days. The hamstring curl, and then I pair it with, guess what, more deadlifts. Again, going light, working on that form. This time turning my feet outward a little bit, hitting a different part of the glutes and hamstring, but nonetheless, see what I mean? That's why I go light. Again, I take a 1 to 2 minute break and then go right back into that set again. Alright, so this next move is more for the glutes rather than the hamstring. Remember I said if you want to feel it in your glutes, you're going to want to push through your heels. This is one of those times. Imagine doing a squat but seated and with one leg. So when you are coming down, you're going to want to keep your knees behind the toes and quote-unquote squat deep. I'm pushing my knee out like that just so you can see that I'm not using any other part of my foot. And I do this move alone 2 times through. And last but definitely not least, we have the booty burn out. I want you to focus on proper form, keeping that back flat. If you find that your back is arching, you do not need to be using a weight right now, okay? I'm just using a dumbbell and going forward, starting with 30 leg lifts. Then going right into rainbows, so dropping the dumbbell, going onto my forearms and touching my leg to one side of the mat, then crossing over to the other side of the mat, making almost like a rainbow shape, keeping the legs straight, you know. Honestly, these are so hard for me. Fire hydrants, putting that weight back on and lifting your leg right out to the side. These though are death to me, but nonetheless, we got 30. And then of course, what you do to one side, you gotta do to the other, because I'm sure you don't want to look lopsided. And then after finishing this round, you have to do all of that, all the booty burnout, one more time. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up because I really appreciate it. Subscribe and I will see you next week. Bye!